Speaker wires ensure clear audio transmission and optimal sound performance for home theaters. My today's video is about top 5 best speaker wires for home theater that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at install link speaker wires for home theater. The 16-gauge premium speaker wire delivers impressive performance at an affordable price. The 100-foot roll provides plenty of length for home theater, car audio, or studio setups, making it ideal for both DIY projects and professional installations. Constructed with high-grade copper-clad aluminum (CCA), it offers reliable conductivity with minimal signal loss, ensuring clear and consistent sound quality. The frosted red and black design makes polarity identification quick and easy, reducing installation errors. Its stranded double-conductor build enhances flexibility, while the soft flex jacket adds durability and allows for smooth routing around corners and tight spaces. Stripping the wire is simple, saving time during setup. Whether you're upgrading your home theater system or wiring car speakers, this speaker wire provides dependable audio transmission and hassle-free installation. It's a practical and cost-effective solution for anyone seeking solid sound performance without overspending. Now our second product is Gearit speaker wires for home theater. This 14-gauge speaker cable stands out for its professional-grade quality and dependable performance. Being UL listed and CL3 rated, it's safe for in-wall, ceiling, and even outdoor installations, making it a versatile choice for home theaters, church sound systems, and commercial setups. The flame-retardant jacket adds durability while remaining soft and flexible, allowing smooth pulls through tight spaces without frustrating kinks. Audio performance is impressive, delivering clear highs and solid, well-defined bass with minimal signal loss. It's well-suited for whole home audio and immersive theater systems where sound clarity truly matters. The sequential foot markers printed on the jacket are a thoughtful touch, eliminating guesswork and saving time during installation. Clear red and black color coding also ensures quick, error-free connections. Easy to cut and strip, this cable works seamlessly with banana plugs, spade tips, or direct speaker connections. Backed by strict safety inspections and responsive support, it's a reliable solution for both professionals and DIY users. Our third product is KCT Speaker Wires for home theater. This speaker wire uses CCAM, 35% copper-clad aluminum magnesium, offering a smart balance between performance and affordability. Compared to lower percentage CCA options, CCAM delivers similar signal frequency response and solid corrosion resistance, making it a dependable choice for everyday audio setups. Sound quality is clear and consistent, providing high-fidelity performance with good conductivity and long-term durability. The wire pairs easily with banana plugs, spade tips, or bent pin connectors, allowing seamless connection to speakers and S/V receivers or amplifiers. Installation is straightforward thanks to the flexible elastic PVC jacket, which feels soft to the touch and has low memory for easy routing. The round and square dual-strand design also helps with quick polarity identification and organized wiring. After undergoing multiple stages of testing, this cable proves reliable for home theater or stereo systems. Overall, it's a cost-effective and practical solution for users seeking stable audio performance without overspending. Now number 4, Recoil speaker wires for home theater. The 16-gauge pure oxygen-free copper (OFC) car speaker cable is a solid choice for clean, powerful audio installations. Designed with 8 speaker leads and 1 remote turn-on lead, it simplifies wiring by combining everything into one convenient cable. That means less clutter and significantly reduced installation time only. One cable to run from the amplifier. The high-strand construction enhances signal transfer, helping deliver clear, dynamic sound with strong bass and crisp highs. Its 20-foot length is ideal for connecting up to 4 speakers to an amplifier, making it perfect for most standard car audio setups. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the easy peel outer jacket, which removes smoothly without damaging the inner wire insulation. EIA standard color coding also ensures accurate, mistake-free connections. Finished with an ultra-flex outer jacket, this cable bends and routes easily through tight vehicle spaces. Overall, it's a reliable, time-saving solution for upgrading any car audio system. And our last choice is Nakamichi speaker wires for home theater. Nakamichi's legacy in high-fidelity audio is reflected beautifully in the Excel series banana plugs with 12 AWG OFC cable. Backed by a brand founded in 1948, this setup delivers both heritage and performance. The 24K gold-plated copper banana plugs ensure a secure, corrosion-resistant connection to A/V receivers or amplifiers with binding posts, offering a clean and convenient alternative to manual wire termination. The included 99.9% pure oxygen-free copper, SGS certified, cable minimizes oxidation, improves conductivity, and enhances overall amplifier efficiency. The result is clearer, more dynamic sound with reduced strain on your system. High strand count copper wiring, a durable braided jacket, and a non-slip PVC Y-boot provide flexibility and long-term reliability. Color-coded, non-conductive sleeves make polarity identification quick and simple, giving your setup a professional finish. With 4 plugs, a 10-foot dual-conductor cable, and a 3-year warranty, this package is a premium, long-lasting investment for serious audio enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.